Welcome to our channel. Employee cards designed for direct deposit streamline the payment process for workers. Here's a simple guide to activate your employee card and start receiving funds directly. Step 1. Carefully remove your employee card from its packaging and check for any activation materials or instruction sheets included with it. Step 2. Determine the activation method offered by your card issuer. Most employee cards can be activated online, by phone, or through a mobile app. Step 3. For online activation, visit the website URL printed on the activation materials or card carrier. This is usually found on a sticker attached to your card. Step 4. Enter your card information when prompted. This typically includes your full card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit security code. Step 5. Provide personal verification information such as your social security number, date of birth, and possibly your employee ID number from your company. Step 6. Create login credentials for online account access. You'll need a username and a strong password that meets the security requirements. Step 7. Set up a PIN for your employee card if required. Choose a 4-digit number that's secure but memorable for you. Step 8. Once activation is confirmed, obtain the routing and account numbers for your employee card. Provide these numbers to your employer's payroll department to set up direct deposit. Verify with HR that direct deposit setup is complete. Your wages will then be automatically loaded to your activated card on payday. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.